All right, so the first thing you want to do is find these three little lines, and then you're going to push from, this is actually the top, but it would normally be the bottom. You're going to push down, your alarm's going to beep at you, you're going to pull that out, and then you'll be able to pop the battery out, and it's a CR2032 battery. You can do it a couple different ways. You can do it with like a pin, just reach up there and pop it out, and then put the new one in. And then we'll put in a new one, put the cover back on, lock it back in, and you should be good to go.